Oliver? Today? You are home early. Oliver, are you okay? Oliver, what happened?
Sarah, I lost my job today.
What?
They called me into the office this morning, and they said, "We don't need you anymore."
Oh, Oliver. Oh my God.
I have been sitting in the park for 3 hours. I did not know how to come home.
And then he fell off the chair right in front of the whole class.
Dad, why are you home early?
Hey, Sam. Hey, Lily.
What is wrong? Something is wrong.
Come sit down, both of you.
What happened, Dad? Are you sick?
No, I am not sick. I am healthy, but I lost my job today.
But where will the money come from?
That is a very good question, Sam, and I don't have the answer yet.
No, we are not going to lose our house. Not yet. Dad has some savings. We have some money saved.
How long will that last?
Maybe 2 months. Maybe 3.
And then what?
I don't know, Sam. I really don't know yet. I have never lost a job before. In 15 years, I never lost a job.
Dad, it is not your fault.
What?
It is not your fault, Dad. They made a mistake, not you.
Thank you, Lily.
That is not fair! You worked so hard. Every day you went. Every single day.
Yes, Sam. I did work hard. Thank you for saying that.
Okay, we are not going to sit here and be sad. We are going to make a plan. Together.
Dad,
Sam, why are you awake?
I could not sleep. I kept thinking.
Dad, are you scared?
Yes, Sam. I am scared.
Really? Dads get scared too?
Yes, Sam. Dads get scared too. Dads are just people.
Dad, I want to help. I can stop asking for things. New toys. New games. I don't need them.
You know what, Sam? You just made me feel better. More than anything today.
You are going to find a new job. I know it.
How do you know?
Because you are my dad, and my dad never gives up.
I love you, Sam. So much.
I love you too, Dad. Now can we have some biscuits?
Yes, Sam. We can have some biscuits.
Okay. I have been thinking all night. And I have a plan.
Tell us.
First, I am going to look for a new job. Starting today. Every single day. I will apply for jobs.
And I am going to go back to work too.
Sorry, you don't have to.
Yes, I do. We are a team, Oliver. We do this together.
I have an idea.
Yes, Sam?
We can save money. No more takeaway food. Mom can cook at home. Sorry, Mom.
I can stop buying things online. I buy too many things online.
Yes, you do, Lily. Yes, you really do. You know, yesterday was the worst day of my year, maybe my life. But right now, sitting here with you all, I feel okay.
We are going to be okay. I really believe that.
Me too, because we have each other.
And we have toast.
Yes, Sam. And we have toast. Sarah! Sarah?
What? What happened?
I have an interview tomorrow morning.
What? Really?
A good company, Sarah. A really good company. They called me today.
You know, these 3 weeks were hard. Really hard. But something good happened too.
What do you mean?
We talked more. We ate together every night. We helped each other. We became closer.
I think so too. Before, Dad was always at work. Mom was always busy. We never really talked like this.
I am sorry for that. I was always working. And I missed so much time with you all. Whatever happens tomorrow, interview or no interview, job or no job, this family is going to be okay because we have each other. And that is enough.
That is more than enough.
Way more than enough. It is okay, Dad. You are here now. That's all that matters. Can we have ice cream now?
Yes, Sam, we can have ice cream.
Sam.
What? I am hungry.